The cameraman is Nathan from Minigamer 12.
Put it right over there.
Yeah. And I'm totally gonna kill him with this nerf gun right now because he's been a bad boy.
Bad boy, bad boy. What you could do? What you could do? Look at me, boy. Bad boy, bad boy. What you could do? Guys, I'm hiding up in the tree.